Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, January 3rd, 2022. I am here at Lamb's Yacht Center, and this is Secret Egret. Before I show you the hull cleaning though, do want to let you know, we do have one of these out. It was removed because it was rusting, and the bolt size is roughly 3 inches long, so it's about like that, and only like the last fourth of it is actually threaded, so we'll be going to replace that very soon. So here we go, on with the hull clean.